Hey, traders, wait, look at this. Look at this. Dogecoin, oh my gosh. Dogecoin is up 16% over the last 30 days. It's sitting right around 10 cents, just hanging out there like it owns the place. But here's the wild part. The 24-hour trading volume is dropping. Yeah, dropping. What is that? What does it mean? I've been staring at it like, come on, tell me your secrets. So now the big question, are we about to blast into some huge bullish momentum? Or is this like this sneaky little trap waiting to snap shut? I mean, it could be either. It could be both. It could be... You know how crypto is. We just put up our latest Dogecoin price analysis support levels, target zones, all the juicy stuff over on our Patreon. And I'm telling you, it's all in there. The tester plan is just $10. Seriously, $10. It's like the easiest way to just check it out and see if it fits your trading style, or if you're like, nope, not my vibe, but hey, at least you know. Links in the description. Go look at it. And as always, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Just me getting way too excited again.